Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Mr. Techfox. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a song to your Facebook profile to make it more fun and expressive. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open the Facebook app on your phone. Here I'm going to open it. And then click on this profile icon on the top right corner and select the profile. And now normally you have to try to find the music section. If you can't see that kind of section, just normally click on this edit profile and just scroll down a bit and then choose again edit your about info. Scroll down again and in this music section just click on this add music option and click on this plus icon on the top right corner and add your favorite music here. For example, I want to choose this one, so I'm choosing this one and go back again. And now you will see an interface like this. Normally click on this three-dot bar and then choose pin to profile. So that's it. We have successfully added a song to our profile. So from now, if anybody visits our profile, they can find a song to our profile. Here you can see that this is the song. So that's all about today's video. Now you know how to add a song on Facebook profile. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.